Imagine yourself in this 2010 Toyota Camry LE. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include full wipers, power windows, tilt steering wheel, traction control, power brakes, trip odometer, and rear defroster. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.